what do you think of this rocking chair?
Yeah, it's alright. I think it might be a little big for inside my shell.
Well, you wanted to come to American Furniture Warehouse to shop.
Yeah,
Well, I don't know if any of this is going to fit inside your shell.
we can try.
All right, let's go furniture shopping and see if we can find anything that you can like that'll fit inside there.
Alright,
What about this chair?
it heats and massages? Man, that's like the best. I want it.
Do you have $1,298?
Nope, I'm broke. You don't pay me.
What do you think of this couch?
I think it might be a little bit big.
I think so too.
It's comfy though. Yeah, turtle approved.
Let's keep shopping.
Okay,
What are you looking for inside your shell?
a lot of things.
Like what?
A bed, a couch, a desk chair, a kitchen table.
I don't know if your shell can hold all that. You don't have a lot of square footage in there.
You're right, it is not that big.
We are in a massive furniture warehouse though, so I'm sure there's something we can find for you.
Well, I kind of just sleep in here.
So what do you want?
What if we get some accessories?
I don't think accessories are gonna fit inside here.
What about that vase?
This is gonna take up your entire shell.
So?
Well, we can see if it's gonna fit.
I don't know if it's gonna fit.
Okay, we can.
Yeah, no, I can't get out.
Told you.
Can I fit in there?
No, you can't fit in there. Next question. Do you have any money to buy any of this?
No, I thought you were gonna buy it.
No, it's your shell.
You don't pay me whenever I perform.
I'm not buying it for you.
Looks like I need to go to the clearance center.
Well, that's exactly where we're at.
Alright, this is not in my budget.
All right, let's go look. What about this pull-out bed?
It's not a desk.
You need a bed to sleep on.
I sleep in my shell just fine without a bed.
Okay, fine. What about this table?
I think it's too long.
You're so picky.
What? I don't have a lot of square footage to work with.
Let's see.
Ooh, what about that pillow?
Home is where the heart is.
Can we see if it fits?
Sure, we can see.
I'm gonna need your help.
Let's put the pillow inside your shell.
I can't breathe. Alright, plan B. No pillows.
No pillows. Ooh, what about an ottoman?
Wait, who's Otto and why is he gonna be in my house?
This is an ottoman.
Yeah. He's a little big to have in my house.
Forget it.
What about this?
Crush.
Sorry, coming.
Perfect. Hey, that's what we need.
Hey, I got a small space.
Yes, you do. That's the section we need to go to.
Perfect. I think they're gonna have something.
Ooh, what about this little living room setup?
Yeah, I like it.
What about that ottoman?
I think I can fit inside the ottoman instead of the ottoman fitting inside me.
Probably.
Here, let's check.
There's no way this is gonna fit inside your shell.
I can fit inside it.
You gotta take the lid off.
What are you doing? No, I can't breathe.
Do you want me to take the top off?
Yeah, can you please take the top off?
Okay, there you go.
Don't do that again. I got really claustrophobic in there.
You got claustrophobic in there and not inside your shell?
Don't judge me.
So we have Terry here. He's gonna help us out with getting furniture inside your shell.
Terry, what'll fit inside my shell?
Yes, ma'am. We could
Yeah.
find something there.
Something?
Yes, sir.
What do you think will fit?
We'll find something there for you.
Okay. Maybe a couch?
Maybe a small couch.
Do you have anything small enough for in here?
I don't think so, but
Darn
we'll
it.
make you one.
Really?
We can make
You can
you
make
one.
me a custom couch?
We can. I know people that could do that for you.
Sign me up.
Hey Crush, I found an accessory that I think will fit inside your shell.
Ooh, that's kind of cool. Here, let's try it out. Hey, it fits.
I think you're gonna just need accessories to dress up the walls of your shell.
I think you're probably right.
Let's change modes and look at accessories instead.
All right.
Oh, Terry brought an orange juice. Okay, Crush.
Nine now.
Now it's spilled all inside your shell.
Oh, it's not. I got a side table in here. What happened to this man's? Is he alive?
Crush, that's a decoration.
I don't want to turn out like him.
Turn out like him.
Ooh. What about a fireplace?
I think you might get a little bit toasty in there.
I might cook. Then I'll turn into turtle soup.
Well, I don't exactly want you to turn into turtle soup.
Well, neither do I. That makes the two of us. What about this? Will this fit in my shell? Ow. Ooh, I found a light I like. Don't go towards the light. Gosh, sorry. This place is massive.
I'm sure there's something we can find in here.
I think there's just accessories that we can find.
What about that?
No, that's not gonna work.
I don't know what else to tell you then.
Let's go find something else over here. Oh my god, look. It's my friend. Getting out of the TV.
Crush, I don't think that an 85-inch TV is gonna fit inside your shell.
I can dream. Who's that guy? I'm gonna name him Thread. Well, I think that's enough furniture shopping for one day. What's this?
I think it's tomato juice. Crush,
It's 9 now.
let's go get tomato juice somewhere else.
Alright, fine. I had fun.
I'm glad you had fun. So I think Crush and I are gonna head out.
We found a few accessories.
So we'll go ahead and check out with those, but
Maybe next time.
we'll get that custom couch ordered for you.
Sounds good. Ooh, what about a rug?
Crush,
Coming!